Inahan sa kanunay Vice Mayor Bebeneri, atong mga kinakusgan nga konsihal, mga officials, leaders, no? And most of all, the working force of the LGU Osamis City. Good morning. First, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mayor Indy for granting our request for the Kasanga Collect program implementation. So this is for all. This is a salary deduction scheme to facilitate the social security coverage of and contribution collection of all employees, especially katong dili members sa GSIS, the job orders, the contract of service, even sa permanent regular employees, you can continue it through salary deduction. But this is not mandatory. However, this program is created para ma-facilitate easy ang pagbayad ninyo. Dili na mo excuse diri sa opisina, kay mo bayad dito sa opisina. Okay? So, ang SSS is kasangga, a shoulder to lean on in times of sickness kung magdaot ta, in times nga mag-deliver ta, maternity benefit, in times of disability benefit, in times of old pension nga mag-monthly pension ka sa SSS through retirement na. And also, aside SSS also has loan opportunities like salary loan, basta loan gani, pwede di ay. Salary loan for 3 years lang, pwede na mo ka-loan. Especially sa educational loan, katong naay college, nga mga estudyante, mga anak. So, sa 3 years contribution lang, regardless kung pinakagamay inyong contribution, maka-avail mo sa maximum of 20,000 pesos per semester, a total of 40,000 for 1 year, and then kung 4-year degree course, a total of 160,000 pesos. The educational loan is 50% guaranteed by the government o dili ka mo bayad diretso. It will take ika-19 ka bulan, no? Sa last date sa check para musugod ka og bayad. By then, kung ang imong anak nakatrabaho na, so pwede na sila mo tabang og bayad ninyo. Also, SSS serves as insurance. Kung magpa-insure ganito sa uban sa private, diba? Dakog bayad. Ang SSS pwede maging kag life insurance lang ako, ma'am. Bayad lang kag gas-a. Minimum of 570. What is 570 pesos? Kung i-per day na nato, it's only 19 pesos per day. Package na tanang benefit. Maski usa lang, kabulan, simbako og mawala ang member, naanay 12,000 makubra sa funeral and another 12,000 sa death claim, a total of 24,000 pesos. Okay? Pero kung ang contribution sa member more than 3 years, no? Pataas, ang funeral makuha, it's between 20,000 to 60,000 pesos. So, that is for insurance. Aside sa funeral, we can also claim for death claim. Kinsay maka-claim? Of course, ang legal spouse, no? Ang legal spouse mo ay maka-claim kung ang contribution 3 years lang. Mag-pension na ang legal spouse, including the minor dependent children. So, unsa pay ato ang gihulat, no? For so many kuan nga ato nang giampo ni abot na gyud ang SSS na ay forever. Sa SSS, once a member, always a member. Okay? So, we'll be here Thursday kay atong sunblock lisod pod og magdugay ta diri. So, thank you very much and good morning once again.